Hi, I wanted to show you what I often do when I am making my teas. So you know that I make teas like constantly. And so for this one, I've got some ginseng. I think I have one more tea back here. Yeah, ginseng and ginger and also some nettle. And then I've been squeezing some lemon. So I squeeze the lemon in here, and then I put the lemon rind, is it skin? And I put the used tea bags. I'm gonna squeeze an orange in this one as well. And then I have this in a little pot. I fill this with water and I put it on the stove as a simmer pot. I put it on the stove as a simmer pot. Now, a simmer pot just it smells really nice in the house, and it adds moisture to the air. And it's a way of using this plant material even after you've made your tea, and you're getting, oh, there's Mischief. You're getting more value out of the plant material. The one thing you must not do, and I've done it 2 times very severely, do not forget the pot. Do not forget the pot, because all the water will eventually simmer down, and then all of that plant material gets very, very baked on to your pot. No, and that does not smell good, and it's like not safe. Okay, so there's tea and simmer pot. I leave mine on the stove for a couple of days, and I just kind of keep adding to it. It does get pretty gross by like the 3rd day, but that's what I do. Okay.